this view. Oh my goodness. What the brap is up, you little brapsters? Cody with Two Wheels and a Tent, and I'm here with my buddy Damon, who has created this wonderful coffee, Two Wheels and a Tent blend, living the dream.
More?
Good.
Oh, so I'll use my sleeping bag for this one, and then this one. Night did that occur?
Recap of yesterday, we
started out here at Mexican Hat, went along the Valley of the Gods Road, which was incredible. Trip down Snow Flat Road. Cody, did anyone have any issues with that road at all?
I had no issues, my bike did. What happened?
I think Cody had a little digger. Went down fast into the sand.
We're good.
Went up along Butler Wash Road, which had a lot of sand and a handful of small canyon washouts, which was just beautiful. A lot of fun. Stopped off at Moki Dugway for a little while to change a flat tire, because that's what you do at the top of Moki Dugway.
Again, who had a problem?
Yeah, who was that had that problem?
It was me.
John's like, I'll be the runner. Look at this puss.
Smart.
Went into Blanding, got gas, and we camped right outside of the Manti La Salle National Forest.
What was your favorite
It was a
part?
good ride. I think I loved Butler Wash.
It was fun.
What was your favorite part?
Camping. Tell me about day one. What was your favorite part?
Oh, the rocks, cold, and the camping. Actually, the fire. I'd say the campfire is my favorite part.
Interesting that you said camping, because that was my favorite part. So where are we headed today?
We're going through the Manti La Salle National Forest. We're going to stop over in Monticello, get a little gas, and then right outside of Canyonlands up here, we're going to come along 211 and then do this section up here, go to Lockhart Basin.
What's that say there?
That says experts only.
And
Let's see if we can figure that one out, huh, Cody?
they're bringing me along, experts only. Huh?
I am Cornholio. I need picata for my bunghole.
You'll have to wait your turn, sir.
Are you threatening me? My bunghole will not wait.
All right, day 2. Here we go. Doing a little filming. Huh?
How come you're not on?
I was trying, but... Hello, hello, hello? Hello? Hello?
There you are.
Thank you for doing that. Alright, now you're on film. Now you're on film. There are some vehicles and mountain bikers. Oh, lots more. Come on, I want one of them to wave at us and do an intro. Hi, what's up, ladies? I like their color choice, that's good. Brap is up, you little brapsters. Just up here. Got done riding a little section of heaven, other than my fingers and toes are probably frozen a little bit. What'd you think of that, Johnny? Drop a gear, disappear. And there's some wildlife over there. What'd you think of that little slice of heaven?
It's getting better and better and colder and colder. We're right now at 8,400 feet. We're gonna gain almost 2,000 more feet. It's gonna get real chilly. There's little bits of snow here and there, probably from yesterday's little bit of rainfall that we were at about, what was it, 6,000?
That was a cool corner to come around. Look at this view. You don't even get this on your calendar at home, people. Hey John, on the 300s, think we take that to your right and straight up? That's never stopped you before. Chippewa over by, maybe this is the Mormon picture. It is now.
The Mormon pasture?
Pasture picture. How high are we? 10,000?
I have 10147.
10168.
10150 we'll call it. Going to the end of section 1. So just over a month ago, I stood at this sign for my first video of the Utbdr. It was closed, there was snow up there. Not too bad. Now we're back and we have completed it. Off to Monticello for fuel for the body and mind and bikes. So we're at the Maverick in Monticello. John, what did you just do?
I just fixed my clutch. It's leaking fluid. I think I fixed the leak, but I'm not sure. So we'll see. My clutch works again, but I have a recluse, so it doesn't really matter.
That's why I was gonna say, why can you still be riding without a clutch? Because he put a recluse in, like a smart man. So the rule of averages says you gotta be next. I did the tire, now he's doing the clutch. What do you have to say about
the rule of averages?
You want to be above average and just be out of it?
I don't think it's coming.
What were you telling me this morning about fueling up? What's a fail?
Anything that lasts longer than 8 minutes.
From the time you pull in.
Pull in, pull out, pee, get drinks. in over 8 minutes.
I can't
If-
get to my watch, but this is a fail.
If the target is time. But
failed.
we're here to have fun, and chill out, and relax.
Yeah, he's with me.
So we're doing great.
I just thought that was interesting. 8 minutes. Well, we just had the wheelie hop at the granary, whatever. Hey, they got vacancy too. So besides the burger,
Are we in the right place?
we're early. That's never happened to me before.
Yeah, please.
How many?
3.
3?
Shall we just choose a seat here?
Oh man. What? Last time we got to go through the secret door. So to say this restaurant is special would be an understatement. Not only does it have the best blue cheese bacon burger I've ever had in my life, but it is where this channel truly was born. Squatch and I went down to Monticello and met Tim Collins from 40 Times Around, or FTA Adventures now, and his buddy Bob at this restaurant. And then we went on to the Valley of the Gods. I have a video in the link above, but that's where this all started. And now I'm here doing the Utah BDR with some other friends. Pretty cool.